Hello and welcome back to Verbose Mode by TaxCare at Basel 1 2025. My next guest is Lize Raes. Welcome,
Hi.
Liz.
Thank you.
So good to have you back on our interviewing platform. Today we're going to talk about Java and AI.
Yes.
So, what's going on with Java and AI? We know Python and AI.
Yes. Yeah. So, one thing is that 2 months ago I started at Oracle as a developer advocate exactly for Java and AI, which is really cool because it covers both machine learning and then agentic and AI integration in your apps, and even like coding with AI for Java. What's going on at the moment? Mainly in Java, there's Project Babylon that is making big advances to make it possible to describe AI models in Java and translate them to either some runtime or even to GPU straight from Java with HAT, Heterogeneous Accelerator Toolkit. Let's just stick to HAT.
Impressive, yes.
Yes, so these things, and then we have a whole flourishing ecosystem, both on the machine learning side and then on the agentic and AI integration side with LangChain4j, Spring AI, that are really up to speed. So especially like in using LLMs inside Java, Java is definitely a top choice these days because we have full support by these libraries. We're not behind with Python anymore at all, and we come with all these Java advantages like security, scalability, maintainability.
Basically strong types.
Exactly.
That's important, and not relying on space intents for valid code.
Yes.
So, all right. So we're talking about two different things, right? We're talking about really doing the networks in Java.
Yes.
And then we're talking about using LLMs and other AI in Java.
Yes.
So the second is where LangChain4j obviously and Spring AI kind of flourish.
Yes.
And stuff like Babel
And Babel, yes,
framework that Rod Johnson is working on.
Exactly.
And we spoke about it in Spring IO back in the summer.
All right.
In May.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's like one thing that we spoke a lot about, and basically the benefits are, hey, use normal programming language and not like others.
No need to go to any other.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's like enterprise ready and used in production everywhere. And this is basically what you use for your apps anyway. So use that for AI.
Yes.
That's kind of, we get it. The part of really kind of coding the AI with Java, this is the most, I would say, surprising and unexpected part, because this is where usually we need to have a very low level access to GPUs and this kind of stuff, which is not trivial at all in Java.
Yeah, not at all. Java is optimized for running on the CPU with the JVM. It's really good at it, right? But for GPU, like they're currently working at it to support many different backends, because one of these problems with GPU is that you have many vendors. Like NVIDIA, Intel, and so on, they all have their own version. And so that's really what this HAT project in Babylon is all about, to make pluggable backends so that we users don't have to care about it and can just escalate to GPU, basically.
Okay, and are there like special APIs that are needed particularly for AI, for different models, like visual and language and this kind of stuff?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. So like from the lowest level to the highest level, working with these machine learning models in Java, we need specific APIs. Project Babylon sits exactly there. So what it does is just offering somehow very low-level functionality. So you will be working with accelerator, context, and memory segments and stuff. So you need to know a bit what you're doing when you want to parallelize your app. But the idea is that we hope that some smart people will write libraries on top that make it just as easy as Python to use than those lower level APIs without being exposed to them literally. And the same comes for the models. So I've been presenting with Anna Maria from my team recently about Babylon, and there we made an Onyx runtime, which is really made to run Onyx models on the GPU. And then, yeah, we also build APIs on top of that, thanks to Project Babylon, that makes it possible to have all these weird operators, convolutions and everything described in Java, and then we can use them in Java. But yeah, it comes with its specificities. You have to know what you're doing, and the hope is really that now the ecosystem takes these building blocks and build really easy to use frameworks on top.
So, but those data scientists and data engineers are all Python people.
Yes and no.
Okay.
So, I mean, I heard they came originally from MATLAB, and then when MATLAB was not such a thing anymore, and the support decreased, then they switched to Python. And Python does come with, like, for experimentation, it's really nice. And they come with these Python notebooks that's really practical to use, and a lot of nice tensor types and everything you need to build the models. Now, we also, for our project, had a tensor type in Java, so you know it can be done. It just has to be built, so it will be a bit of work. And we also actually, it's already possible to do Java notebooks. Yeah, we see like if there becomes some official support for one, but we hope to get all these strong parts of Python in Java. It's really on Rails and going forward very fast. And then combined with the strengths of Java, that, yeah.
Excellent. The only missing piece is winning hearts and minds of data scientists and convert them to Java.
Yeah, let's think about that.
That's the job of developer
job.
advocate at Oracle. That's
Yes,
what I think. Excellent. Liz, that was fascinating. Thank you very much. I learned a lot. I'm sure our audience learned a lot as well. So thank you very much for coming. We'll see you back in a couple of months and hear what's new. And for you all, stay tuned for more episodes of Verbose Mode by TaxCare at Basel 1 2025. We are going to be back very, very shortly. Thank you and bye-bye. Thank you, Liz.